Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews and tech insights. Today, we're diving into two amazing laptops from Acer, the Acer Swift Go 14 and Acer Swift Go 16. If you're in the market for a sleek, portable, and powerful laptop, these might be your next best buy. Keep watching to find out more about these two models, and check out the affiliate link in the description below if you're ready to grab one for yourself. Let's start with the Acer Swift Go 14. This ultralight laptop is perfect for anyone who needs portability without sacrificing performance. It's equipped with the latest Intel Core i7 processor and 16 GB of RAM, making it a solid option for both work and entertainment. The 14-inch OLED display is vibrant, with deep blacks and crisp whites, perfect for streaming, editing, and everything in between. Whether you're on a long flight or in a cafe, its compact size makes it easy to carry, while the fast-charging battery ensures you're powered up when you need it most. One of my favorite features of the Swift Go 14 is its design. The slim aluminum body feels premium, and it's available in an elegant, modern color scheme. Plus, Acer claims up to 12 hours of battery life, which is fantastic for anyone on the go. If you're interested in purchasing the Acer Swift Go 14, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Not only will you find the best deals, but using the affiliate link also helps support the channel, so we can continue bringing you these detailed reviews. Now, if you need something with a bit more screen real estate, the Acer Swift Go 16 is a fantastic upgrade. It comes with a 16-inch OLED display, providing a wider and more immersive viewing experience. Perfect for multitasking, photo-video editing, or just enjoying your favorite shows and movies. Under the hood, it boasts the same powerful Intel Core i7 processor and 16 GB of RAM. But the larger screen and larger battery make it slightly heavier, weighing in at just 3.2 pounds. Still pretty light for its size. The Swift Go 16 also delivers fantastic sound with Dolby Atmos, which enhances your entertainment experience. It's equipped with a full-size keyboard, and the trackpad is spacious and responsive, making it a great option for productivity on the go. Both the Acer Swift Go 14 and Acer Swift Go 16 are fantastic choices for anyone looking for a combination of portability, power, and performance. Whether you're working remotely, enjoying content, or just need a reliable everyday laptop, both of these models will deliver. So, which one's right for you? If you need something smaller and lighter, the 14-inch model will be perfect. But if you want a larger screen and even more power, the 16-inch model is the way to go. Again, don't forget to check the link in the description for the best deals and to support the channel. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.